Hey guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this 24-foot extending gutter cleaning wand that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. Guys, this here basically is a wand that attaches to your pressure washer. It replaces your standard wand like so that you can reach up to high places and clean off your gutters or even clean off your windows. And so as you can see, I've got it attached to a harness here. It's got hooks on both sides. You can connect this here up either left side or right side, depending on your needs or which dominant hand you have. It's got a foam padded handle here so that, as you're operating out in the wet and cold, your hands aren't freezing. And you got 3 different nozzles that connects up there. So as you can see, this one here hooks up and comes around. You got this nozzle here and this nozzle here. And so basically, they go on to the end just like your regular pressure washer. And then you got your tips that go in here, and you got 6 different tips depending on the spray pattern you need. And they connect in here just like your regular pressure washer wand does. So they give you some brass couplings that come along with this here. Unfortunately, the couplers that they provided don't fit my pressure washer. So I've got 2 pressure washers, and both of my wands have a female attachment point, and this here has a male attachment point. So you may need to get a female to female coupler if you have the same type of setup that I have here. But aside from that, guys, it's fairly lightweight. It's easy to extend out. The harness here makes it easy to hold on to as you're working. Gives you a great leverage point, and it's just a different type of wand than the type of wand that you would normally have for your regular pressure washing. So hope that helps you guys.